We view Europe's mountain ranges and coastlines as permanent fixtures, solid, stable monuments that have always existed in this exact form. Yet the geological makeup of these landscapes tells a different story. Deep within the rock, scientists keep finding physical anomalies that shouldn't exist in a stable environment. The Matterhorn stands as the ultimate symbol of the Swiss Alps, yet its steep, jagged peak is composed entirely of rock from the African continent. In the arid Temperance desert of southern Spain, the dry soil is filled with marine salt crystals, identical to those found on the floor of a deep ocean. And beneath the freezing waters of the North Sea, the ocean floor hides 7,000-year-old tree stumps, still rooted in the ground between England and France. These anomalies reveal a landscape in constant flux. The modern map of Europe acts as a temporary cover, a thin layer masking ancient, alien worlds buried beneath our feet. The massive peaks of the Alps are the wreckage left behind by a colossal continental collision. 100 million years ago, a vast tropical body of water called the Tethys Ocean separated Europe and Africa. Sharks and prehistoric marine reptiles hunted where mountain climbers now trek. The African tectonic plate barreled northward, violently slamming into the European plate and squeezing the entire Tethys Ocean out of existence. The ancient seafloor and pieces of the African crust buckled under the pressure, thrusting thousands of meters into the sky. Today, the Matterhorn stands as a 4,000-meter-high geological graveyard, marking the exact impact zone where two continents crashed. In Spain, the dry Tabernases Desert hides evidence of a massive hydrological collapse. 6 million years ago, tectonic uplift forced a new mountain range to rise around Gibraltar, physically blocking the Atlantic water supply. This barrier completely cut off the Mediterranean basin from the ocean. Starved of incoming water, the Mediterranean Sea evaporated under the sun, leaving behind a massive white salt desert. The salt deposits in the Tabernas Desert are the final fingerprints of this evaporated ocean, proving that even the largest bodies of water can vanish. While some of these ancient landscapes are destroyed by extreme drought, others are violently reclaimed by the sea. 7,000 years ago, Doggerland was a lush, forested valley that physically connected Britain to mainland Europe. During the last ice age, massive glaciers locked up the Earth's water, keeping global sea levels low enough to expose this vast plain. As the planet warmed, those colossal European glaciers melted away, triggering a catastrophic and rapid rise in global ocean levels. Doggerland's fate reveals the fragility of our coastlines. A single shift in global temperatures can swallow an entire paradise in a geological blink of an eye. The geological engines that built and destroyed ancient Europe are actively operating today. Mount Vesuvius, looming over modern Naples, stands as a symbol of this active, violent geology living alongside human civilization. In 79 AD, this destructive capability was realized when the volcano instantly buried the city of Pompeii in hot ash. This destruction also serves as a creator. Volcanic ash provides hyper-fertile soil that continually births new ecosystems and sustains the civilizations living on its slopes. Earth is a master sculptor whose work requires destruction as the first step of creation. The current map of Europe represents just one frame in a billion-year-long movie.